Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today I'm going to introduce you to the AMTIF W4 OBD2 scanner, a must-have diagnostic tool for all car owners. This multi-function scanner features a built-in OBD2 DTC lookup library, allowing you to easily determine the cause of the engine light and perform various diagnostic functions, such as reading and erasing fault codes, viewing freeze frame data, and testing voltage and sensors. The AMTIF W4 OBD2 scanner is compatible with most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and Asian cars, as well as newer OBD2 can domestic or import vehicles. It supports 8 languages and features a 2.8-inch color screen for a stylish and comfortable user experience. Plus, it gets its power directly from your vehicle, so no need for batteries or chargers. With a 2-year warranty and 100% satisfaction service, you can trust the quality and reliability of this scanner. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the AMTIF W4 OBD2 scanner and take control of your car's diagnostics today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car gadgets and reviews. Thanks for watching.